Hey guys, so Cubot have just launched the Cubot P50. Now, in this video, I'm going to talk to you about the specs on the P50, and there's also a giveaway as well, so you might want to check that out for a chance to win a Cubot P50. Also, just to clarify that this video is sponsored by Cubot. They asked me to basically advertise their launch and their giveaway. So this video is sponsored by Cubot. Okay, so let's go over the specs of the Cubot P50 and what you expect to find. So powering the P50, the brains is the MT6762 octa-core CPU. In other words, the Helio P22. You'll also get 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. When you compare that to the P40, the previous model, that is quite a jump in specs. So the P50 will have a 6.2-inch HD Plus display with a resolution of 1520 by 720p. This will give you a 92.5% screen to body ratio and an aspect ratio of 19 by 9. Now, one thing that these super budget smartphones do or have kept on doing is they've kept the 3.5mm headphone socket, which I know will please loads and loads of people. I don't mind it. I have actually gone to sort of fully wireless now anyway, but for a lot of people that socket is a dream. So in a nutshell, in this picture shows you quite a lot of things you really need to know. I mean, it's a triple camera setup, triple rear AI camera, and a 20 megapixel AI selfie camera, a generous 4,200 milliamp battery, and an NFC chip for all your contactless payment needs. So other features include Face ID, because there doesn't seem to be any fingerprint sensor on the Cubot P50 either. I must also point out that this is a 4G smartphone, and to be fair, even today there is quite a lack of 5G coverage, especially where I am at the moment as well, and 4G is still more than capable, especially when you check out the price of what this is going to be launched at. I think it's going to be launched at around about $100 or about 85, 86 pounds or something like that when it first launched, which is insanely cheap for any smartphone really. So that's what you can expect from the Cubot P50. I will include links to the giveaway. Obviously, don't forget to enter the giveaway for your chance to win. And there's also a link to the AliExpress shop where you can purchase this from. You get a bit more information on price and some of the specs in there as well. So yeah, that's the world premiere of the Cubot P50. Go and check it out. Thank you all very much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.